In this video, I'll guide you through how to change your T-Mobile ID password. Whether you've forgotten your current password or just want to strengthen your security, updating your T-Mobile ID password is a straightforward process. So, let's dive right in and get started. First, you need to open the T-Mobile app on your smartphone. Once you've opened the app, log into your T-Mobile account using your current credentials. It's important to ensure you have access to this account, as you'll need your existing password to make the change. Once you're logged in, look towards the bottom right corner of your screen. There, you'll find the option labeled Manage. Give it a tap to proceed. This will take you to a new screen where you can handle various aspects of your account. Next, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. You should see a gear icon, which represents the Settings menu. Tap this icon to open up the Settings options. Navigating to the settings is crucial because this is where you can access your account's security features. In the Settings menu, look for the option labeled Security. Tap on it to continue. This section is dedicated to all things related to your account's safety and privacy. Within the security settings, you will find the T-Mobile ID option. Select it to move forward. Now, under the password section, you'll notice a downward arrow located next to the word password. Tapping this arrow will expand the section, giving you the ability to make changes to your password. It's a simple but essential step to access the password modification fields. At this point, you'll need to enter your current password. This step is vital for verifying your identity and ensuring the security of your account. After entering your current password, it's time to create a new one. Choose a password that is strong and unique, combining letters, numbers, and special characters for added security. Once you've decided on a new password, re-enter it in the confirmation field to make sure there are no typos or errors. Finally, remember to save your changes. This action will update your password successfully, allowing you to log in with your new credentials the next time you access your account. And that's how you change your T-Mobile ID password. By following these steps, you can ensure that your account remains secure and that you have control over your access credentials. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.